All right, so it has come to our attention as a school that there's a lot of people that don't know how to monitor student Chromebooks. So yeah, this is a super cool tool that you should pay attention to. It's called Lan School Air. Okay, those of you who have had computer labs, it was just called Lan School, but Lan School Air allows you to connect to students' Chromebooks. Okay, so and our school pays for this software, so it's definitely worth using. Okay, so if you just type in Lan School Air, you should see this website pop up. Okay, so then you just will click on that and it should take you to a page similar to this, and then you just use your Google account. Okay, so I'm going to use mine. It should be your school email account, and it should automatically populate you to West Jordan High School. If you have any issues, let me know and we can figure out how to get you put on. And what will happen is it will automatically populate all of your classes that you have. Okay, so sometimes it's a little overwhelming because it shows all their names, and unfortunately we're not allowed to nickname them, which definitely is not fun. Okay, but if you click on this Show Hide Classes button, okay, you can choose which classes you want visible and which ones you don't, right? So, and again, I know it's a pain that you can't nickname them, but what I do personally is I change the image for each of my classes, and then that way I can kind of keep track of which one's which. Okay, but let's say I want to, let's say student government. Okay, so if I'm in student government class, I click on the tile and it will show me all my students. Okay, and then I've just got to click start class and it will show me their screens. Okay, so if they're on their Chromebook, it shows me their screen. So you can see, like, even if we're not in class, I'm able to see their screens, so obviously don't abuse that power. Okay, but yeah, there's a lot of different features, right? I can push a website to my students, I can blank student screens, I can limit student websites. This one's my favorite because you can go in and say which websites you want unblocked and all the other ones are blocked, right? So if I want them on Canvas and Canva, and then maybe a couple different websites that I've identified that they can use for research, I can put those into the system, and then when I hit limit student websites, it will automatically limit it to just those. Okay, I can take a screenshot if I need to, right? That would probably be more for legal purposes, right? And then I can also share a student screen or share my screen. Okay, so super straightforward, easy to use. I can message students, right? So show chat, and I can message specific students, right? If I need to message just a specific student, then that's an option as well. Okay, so hopefully this helps you out. Again, it's called Lan School Air. It's tied to your school email, and then you just have to click start class, and then you can go from there. Have a good day.